Hello everybody. So today what we're going to do is be working on a 2007 Toyota Corolla S with the 1.6 valve engine, VVT-I engine. We're going to be changing the negative battery post cable. I kind of jumped ahead of myself. So really what you want to do, let's go ahead and get into it. You want to remove the battery post from the battery, which I've already done. As you can see, I've taken off the negative first, the positive first, then I took off the negative. See, as you can see, my negative is really bad, really corroded. It won't even hold a tight flush connection to the post. Okay, I took out the battery tray over there, all right, which just comes out. Okay, so what you want to do after you take your post off, okay, you want to see where it grounds. Make sure you get the right cable. Try to get original if you can. The thicker cable. You don't want the thinner cable. It won't give you as much power as you would need. Okay, so down here, as you can see, we have a ground. One ground. We have two grounds. One ground there that we're going to be taking off. And then if you look up in here, I'm going to point to it. We have another ground right there. Okay, those are the ones that we're going to be taking off. Okay, I've already unscrewed this one here. You're going to need a 12 millimeter socket to unscrew this here. So I'm just going to go ahead and finish doing this with my hand. Okay, it has a washer on it, so please be careful. You want to keep that washer on the screw, and then make sure you sit your screws where you can see them. Okay, all right, so that's one cable there, and now we're going to be taking out this other cable over here. Okay, so let me just go ahead and get it. Should be the same socket, which it's not. It's a little smaller, so just give me a second and let me get the right socket. Okay, so actually it's going to be a 10-meter socket for this bolt here. Then we're just going to pop this off. There we go, break it. Now it's time to take it out. When you're working on cars, you want to be as patient as possible. Cars will get you upset because it ain't coming undone quick enough. So just take your time. Unscrew this bolt. This one also has a washer on it, so be careful. See? Sit it where you can find it. Okay, and as you see, this ground goes there, the other ground goes there, and then you take the cable out, like so. And as you can see, like I said, mine's is really bad here. Okay, so let's get the other cable. This is the cable that I bought from AutoZone. Just a proper 4 gauge, 25 inches long. Just to make sure, like I said, that everything matches up. So hold on a second. What's important is the numbers on the wires on the cable. Okay, those are important. So as you can see, the numbers here on the old cable is at the bottom, top cable is the new one, 4 gauge SGR SAE J1127, 105 degrees Celsius. All right, and all the mountings look the same. Everything's the same. Okay, lengthwise, bingo, everything's the same. All right, so now we're going to put it on. Let's get rid of the old cable. Now we got the new cable. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to connect this ground here to there. Then we're going to connect this ground over there. All right. Okay, so we're going to get our boat. The smaller boat goes here. All right. We're going to stick it inside of the housing here to the cable. Put it there, like so. And then we're going to screw it in. Washers on top. Hold on a second. Boom, that's screwed in. Okay, you're not going to tighten it down all the way yet. Now we're going to put this one in over here. So give me just a second. I'm going to put my phone down real quick so you can see.